Installing the Scorpio shower cabin. First of all, it is very important that the designated space where the shower tray is placed is completely leveled. Mark the mounting points for the rail profiles. Make sure that the rail profiles are completely vertical. Make the mounting holes. Secure the rail profile. Slide the fixed shower walls into the rail profiles and secure them. Insert the arched glass doors and fix them with the fasteners. Install the handles on the door. Fix the magnetic watertight rubber strips to the door. Place the support brackets on top of the fixed shower walls. Mark and drill the holes, then fix them to the wall. Install the metal ends and the watertight strips. Insert the sill using silicone. Finally, make the necessary sealing with silicone.